Hey friends, it's Mr. Chad. I hope you're having a good day at home. Let's get to work on some math, okay? Before this, we had been working on composing numbers. So when you clap your hands, we say that we put numbers together, okay? And we get a new number. But now we're going to switch to decompose. Now if you have your hands together and you take them apart, okay, that's how we take apart numbers. That's called decompose, all right? So you see my cursor here, follow it along, okay? Here we have the number 6. We're going to learn how to take apart the numbers 6 and 7. Decompose 6 and 7, okay? So, how do you take away numbers from 6 and 7? Let's find out. Okay, here we have the number 6, and we're going to take it apart. Can you say that? Take apart. Now, if we have all these together, the red and the yellow, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all together. Now, we're going to take away the red, okay? Take away. So, that's the first number I'm going to put. So, minus, change that up a little bit. All right, so 6 minus, we're going to take away the red. So, how many red are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 red. There we go. All right, now, how many are left? The ones that are still there are left. How many are left? We have 1 yellow left. So we took away the red, and now we have 1 yellow left. So I'll write that right here. So now we can read our number sentence. We have separated or taken apart the number 6. When we took it apart, we got 5 over here and 1 over here. Those are the numbers we wrote in the spaces. Okay. Now let's read our number sentence. Okay. 6 minus 5. And we can even say equals, okay, it's our equal sign, it's our minus sign there. All right, 6 minus 5 equals 1. So when you take away 5 from 6, you have 1 left. So that's one way to take apart the number 6. Let's find some new ways to take apart number 6. Here we go. Turn to this page and find the number 1 apple. Are you there? All right, here we go. All right. So, what's another way we could take apart the number 6? Here we have an example. I see 2 blue cubes. And I see some empty ones. I'm going to color these red, but you can color them with your pencil or whatever you have. So now I have blue and I have red. So how many blue are there? There are 2 blue. How many red are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what numbers do we have? 2 and 4. When we put these together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But remember, we're not composing, we are decomposing. So we're going to take apart the number 6 into 2 and 4. In this case, we're going to take away the red, okay? So how many red are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 red. So we're going to take those away. Let me trace my minus sign. Minus, that means take away. Now we have 4 red. So take those away, 6 minus 4. And if we take those away, how many do we have left? We have 2 blue left, okay? So, let's read, all right? So this is another way to take apart the number 6. 4 and 2. If you take apart the number 6, you could get 4 and 2. Like 4 red and 2 blue. Now, let me put my equal sign, so we can read our number sentence. This is an equal sign, okay? So now, let's read this all together. 6, say it with me. 6 minus 4 equals 2. If you take 4 away from the number 6, you have 2 left, okay? All right, let's do this one here at the bottom. There we go. All right, here we have an orange block, okay? We have one orange block. I'm gonna make the rest red. We have to fill in our empty blocks. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? So now, we have two numbers. What are our numbers? 1, and over here we have 5 red. 1 orange and 5 red. Now, we're gonna take away the red. So, let me do my minus sign. Okay, we're going to take away the red. So how many red do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red. Okay, so let me write my number down. 5 red. Take away 5. Now, if I take away 5, how many do I have left over here? Oh, I want a black. I have 1 left. Okay, let's see if I can find the color orange. Huh? That's about it right there. 1, almost 1 orange. Maybe more like that. There we go. So now let's read our number sentence. My equal sign there. So here we have 6 minus 5 equals 1. Can you read that with me? 6 minus 5 equals 1. Okay? So if you take away 5 from the number 6, you'll have 1 left. 1 still there. Okay? If we lost all these 5 right here, the red ones, we'd still have 1 orange left. Okay? So now, let's go to the next page. Number 3, number 4. Now this is the number 7. We're going to do the same thing, okay? I'm going to do number 3 with you, and I'm going to let you do number 4 by yourself, okay? All right, so here we have red. I can't pick red again. I'm going to use a different color. So let's do number 3. Alrighty. What color do I want to paint? I'll do blue. So I'm going to fill in my empty ones. Remember, you don't need a color. You can use your pencil to fill these in. As long as you can count them, that's all that matters. So I'm going to color them blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Alright, so the number 7. And now we have 2 numbers. We're going to take apart the number 7. Take it apart. Okay, so we have 2 different colors here. Let's see how many red we have. 1, 2, 3. Let's see how many blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 2 numbers. 3. Okay. Here we go. We have 3. And we have 4. That's one way you can take apart the number 7. Okay. So let me do my minus sign. Let's take away the red. Okay. All right. So we're going to take away the red. 7 minus, how many red? 3. 7 minus 3. Alrighty. So 7 minus 3. If you take away the reds, let me scratch them out with black. Alright, now if you take away the reds, you lost them, okay? So you don't have them anymore. How many would you have left? You'd have these blue ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So you have 7, you take away 3, all gone, but these are still left. 4 are left. Okay, 7 minus 3 equals 4. Okay, read it with me. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Now I want you to do this one all by yourself, okay? So, looks like you have some yellow blocks here. Color these in. Count how many yellows. Count how many you colored. Those are your 2 numbers. Take away the ones you colored. Take away the ones you colored. So these are the ones you're going to color. So take these away, and then you'll have this many left. Okay? Write your numbers in a blank here. All right? I'll give you 1 minute to finish. and then we'll go on to the last page. Okay, the timer's going, so work quickly. Are you working? Keep it up. How many yellow? How many did you color? Take away the ones you colored. How many are left? Write your numbers. You almost finished? 20 more seconds. Five seconds. All right, here we go. Next page, last page. All right, these are you're gonna do by yourself. I'm gonna give you some instructions. You're gonna do them by yourself, okay? I'll set a timer. I'll give you some time to do it, and then we'll go to the next number. We have two, number 5 butterfly and number 6 acorn. I'll give you instructions several times. Listen carefully, follow directions, complete the work, and then we'll move on to number 6, okay? So first, let's do number 5. Put your finger on number 5, butterfly, okay? Here we go. All right, number 5 says, number 5, Julia has 7 erasers. How many erasers does Julia have? She has 7. 1 eraser is blue. How many are blue? 1 is blue. The rest erasers are pink. The rest of them are pink. So she has 7 erasers altogether. 1 of them is blue, and the rest are pink. How many erasers are pink? Draw the erasers, trace the symbol, and write the numbers. So the first thing you're going to do is draw erasers. Now you can draw circles. That's fine. So draw your erasers. So here, I'll show you how that's fine. A circle is fine. So draw 7 erasers. Okay. It says that 1 of them is blue and the rest are pink. Okay. So what you can do is mark out 1 blue one and then see how many are left. And the rest are pink. Okay. So you're going to write your numbers right here. So first, write 7 erasers. Next, mark out the blue one. There's 1 blue one. Last, count the rest. The rest are pink. What are your numbers? 1 blue and how many pink? Write your numbers right here. Okay? I'll give you 2 minutes. Timer's going. Please work quickly. 7 erasers. 1 of them is blue. Put an X on the blue one. The rest of them are pink. How many are left? How many pink are there? Write your numbers. Are you almost done drawing the erasers? Work quickly. 7 erasers. 1 of them is blue. Put an X on the blue one. The rest are pink. How many are there? How many are left after you put the X on the blue one? Count how many and write your numbers. 1 blue and how many pink? Are you almost done? I'll give you a little bit longer. Write your numbers. All right, here we go. We're going to move on to number 6. You finished? All right, here we go. Number 6. Number 6, acorn. All right, number 6 says, put your finger on number 6, acorn. Number 6 says, choose the correct answer. Which does the cube train show? Look at the cube train. We have 2 colors. How many of this color? How many of that color? Okay, choose your answer. What does this cube train show? What numbers does it show? Is it these numbers or these numbers? Bubble your answer. When you bubble your answer, you're all done with this one. See you next time. Have a good day.